Hello students, ICRA High School online class subject Social Science Standard 7 Chapter 8 Delhi during the medieval period. Dear students, you know that history is divided into three parts: ancient history, medieval history and modern history. So, in this topic, you'll learn about the medieval period, Delhi during the medieval period. Dear student, Qutbuddin Aibak founded Ghulam dynasty in Delhi. He was the first Muslim ruler in India. Qutbuddin Aibak had started the construction of the Qutub Minar and his son-in-law Iltutmish had it completed. Dear student, the Delhi Sultanate was founded in the beginning of the 13th century, 1206 CE, after the death of Ghori. One of his loyal slaves became the commander and established control over the throne of Delhi. Dear student, you know that change is the life of the day, past, present, and it might future also. Dear student, somebody thrown over and just establish empires. So in this chapter you learn this point. Here he had constructed the construction of a minar. His son-in-law Iltutmish completed. This minar, which came to be known as the famous Qutub Minar, the architectural style in which Qutub Minar was constructed is a mixture of both Hindu and Muslim styles. This place was the capital during the Sultanate age. Then, Iltutmish he conquered many territories in India and made them a part of the Delhi Sultanate. So he is known as the founder of the slave dynasty. His daughter Razia Sultana ascended the throne after his death in 1236 CE. Razia was the first female ruler to rule over Delhi. Dear students, according to historians of the time, Minhas-e-Siraj, Razia was a more capable and efficient ruler than her brother. However, being a woman, she was not accepted as a ruler. Amir Umroz disliked Razia as a ruler. Razia's rule came to an end due to the interference of the Amir. Here, due to interference of Amir, due to the power thrust, these Amirs did not like Razia's rule and there was complete disorder in the Sultanate for 6 years after the death. At last, the Amirs enthroned Nasiruddin, the son of Iltutmish. He ruled for 21 years. After his death, Ghiyasuddin Balban ascended the throne of Delhi. Dear student, India did not face any major invasion for more than 150 years after the raids of Mahmud Ghazni. It was by the mid 12th century that a ruler of Ghor, a small principality in Afghanistan, Mahmud Ghori, attacked and captured parts of Punjab and Sindh in 1191 AD. He clashed with Prithviraj Chauhan in the first battle of Train but faced defeat. The very next year, he again attacked the defeat Prithviraj Chauhan in the second battle of Train in 1192 AD. This resulted in the Turkish rule over India. This Turkish rule from Delhi from 1206 AD to 1526 AD. So we call Delhi Sultanate. Now here come broadly explaining of this chapter, the slave dynasty. 1206 to 1290 AD. Dear student, the rule of slave dynasty begins with the accession of Qutbuddin Aibak and continued till Balban. In between them, Iltutmish, Rukuddin, Razia and Nasiruddin Mahmud ruled in different periods of time. All these rulers were called Mamluks in Arabic, which means a slave or the sons of slave, we can say. All the rulers who ruled the Delhi Sultanate from 1206 to 1286 from Qutbuddin Aibak to Balban together formed the slave dynasty. Okay. After his death, Ghiyasuddin Balban ascended the throne of Delhi. He was a strong ruler who brought an end to the disaster and established peace. Next, Balban had been the Wazir of Nasiruddin for 20 years. Subsequently, he ruled as Sultan for 22 years. His descendants were weak and the Khilji dynasty established his rule over Delhi. Dear students, here point to note that, okay, suppose here Balban had been the Wazir of Nasiruddin for 20 years, okay. Subsequently, his ruled as Sultan for 22 years. But his followers, his successors were not like him. So they won't carry forward to take this administration and this rule future. So that, dear students, for that reason the empire collapsed, and taking advantage of this, by name Khilji dynasty established his rule over Delhi, called Khilji dynasty. Dear students,